I was pooping.
Well, no, I've got you doing that too.
I was pooping one time. She put it on the corner. What are you doing? My butt cheeks all out. I'm like...
Hi, Village.
Hey, guys.
Welcome to our table. Today, we have a seafood boil from
Lotus Seafood.
Lotus Seafood. Thank you. I was about to get them confused. We got, this is the Loud Pack, and this is the Game Changer. This is a small fried rice. I wouldn't always ask for like a half of the fried rice, but so Sierra's gonna eat most of the shrimp, and I'm gonna eat most of the crab except for the big honking one, and we forgot scissors and crunchers. Okay.
And we got crack. I bought 6 of them.
6.
Because it's really good on like hibachi rice.
I don't know what she's talking about.
I don't know.
Now these little baby shrimps, I just don't like them. So I usually just give them to Lucky. The big ones, I like. Y'all, we got medium. And it's still...
Yeah.
Super spicy.
It's even spicy for me.
I love their rice. Although... this rice is not keto friendly.
Not at all. Neither is this potato, so.
Ooh.
I love potatoes.
That is spicy. I think they gave us the wrong one. I usually get just medium, which is no spice, because
their spicy is really spicy.
Yeah. Woo! Man. Super hot. How's the shrimp?
I don't know. I haven't had one yet. I'm going to be eating my corn.
It comes with either
crawfish. Well, I should have got crawfish and shrimp.
Or you can just get just crawfish or just shrimp. I feel like I should have just got crawfish for you. I feel like I should have got one today. So good.
Ooh, look at all this garlic, dude.
Ooh, yum. I want some. Welcome to all of our new subscribers. Thank you for being with us. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to hit the red subscribe button here and be sure to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we post or go live.
Also, guys, me and my mom are officially on TikTok, so go check us out on TikTok.
And we'll put the thing here.
Yeah.
Like we don't have enough to do.
Yeah, really.
Rip off that so you can keep it. Ooh. You're gonna take the big one and the little one?
Yeah.
Thank you. I
You
love
have sausage. I don't like the sausage.
I don't like the sausage.
I don't either.
Oh.
It's not that we don't like their sausage. We just don't like sausage. Period.
Yeah.
I like mine like really, really burnt.
She gets that for me. Oh, shoot. I'm making a mess.
Please don't.
Mmm. Are you eating the corn?
I guess not. Into that real quick.
Mmm. 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 Oh,
Wow, that is not medium at all. Jesus. Oh my gosh.
Ooh. Mm. We definitely should have got more to drink.
Yeah.
Woo. Crab fingers. All right.
Oh my. Goodness gracious. Oh my god. So guys, he had to have one of his teeth removed. So when we went to go have his teeth cleaned at the vet, they basically had to pull it because it was just so loose. So he has a little gap in his baby teeth.
In the front.
We'll insert a picture right here. But hello baby. Oh yeah, I can't. How much is the other one? Oh. I'm losing my mind, guys.
Mmm.
Please stop.
This is the messiest food ever. Like, what other foods do y'all think are really, really messy?
Pasta.
Pasta?
Yeah.
No.
Wings. I don't know who taught you how to eat.
I don't know.
They did a really crappy job. Jeez Christ, it's hot. Mm.
I'm trying to think what else is messy food. Mmm.
Oh, my stomach hurts. They were like, oh, they want it mild. We're going to give them mild. This crap is hot.
Uh-huh.
It's even hot for me. Ah! Dude. My stomach was already hurting because I had like a macchiato at like 7 o'clock this morning. My stomach's on fire right now.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
But who goes back and gets more? This guy.
Woo. My lips are on fire. You know that old song, The roof is on fire. She thinks I'm corny.
Definitely.
For a while there, we had not had seafood. And now, we're having it like back to back to back. I love seafood. It's just expensive.
The one time we don't have any waters anywhere.
I know. At least we're not sharing a drink.
I don't really care. I'm just really thirsty. It's really hot.
Mm-hmm. The roof is on fire. See, it's catchy.
Guys, should we start doing more vlogs? Comment down below if you guys want us to do more vlogs. And go check out our Houston Zoo vlog. That was pretty fun.
Oh yeah.
We'll link it up.
And our haunted house
car wash. That
car
was
wash.
fun. But guys, it was bad mamma jamma.
Yep.
And shout out to who Michael Myers was. I'm just kidding.
She was flirting with the monster.
That monster would not leave me alone. Let's just say that.
He got in a car.
He opened my door.
He was trying to get her to come
None
out.
of my boyfriends opened my door.
None of your boyfriends have done that? Then they don't need to be a boyfriend.
But I'm like an independent woman. I'm like...
Still, they need to be chivalrous.
At least we know Michael Myers was chivalrous.
True. And that's something, y'all. I'm a single mom. So, I always, anybody that dates her is going to hear something from me. Like,
oh, yeah.
This is how I'm letting her go out with you. And, you know, I have some expectations.
My mom has told my boyfriends, she's a good girl and you better keep her that way. I'm like, Mom. My grandfather's always like, they gotta go through me. I'm like, no. They gotta go through my mom first. If they don't make it through my mom, then they're definitely not gonna make it through my grandfather.
Well, my thing is, if they don't respect me, they're not gonna respect you. Guys don't understand our relationship.
One guy called me my mom's slave. I was like, I am her daughter, so technically that makes me her slave.
Well, and she was working for me part-time, so, you know.
But in a sense, it is just me and you, so of course I do more stuff than a lot of other kids my age would.
That's true.
And kids who have two parents. So yeah, it's not that I'm her slave, but it's just that
she's been mowing the lawn since she was old enough to.
But if anyone wants to come mow our lawn, they can.
Yeah, please come. We'll pay you.
I hate mowing. I told you when I get married, my husband has to mow. I cannot mow. I hate mowing. Like, I seriously hate mowing.
One time we were talking about lawn service and stuff. Are you okay?
No.
And anyway, we were talking about lawn care, and I was like, yeah, my landscaper is grounded till they mow. And they were like, you can ground your landscaper? I was like, yeah. When it's your child.
Guys, our backyard gets really high sometimes because I just don't feel like mowing it. And then when it gets really high, it makes me not want to mow even more.
Yeah.
There was a snake back there one time. I did not mow the grass for like a month.
Literally, this was before we had Lucky. We did not open the back door for at least a month.
So can you imagine how high that grass got? I'll be honest, that grass got high. I was not going back there. Will you pass me that spoon? I'm using a spoon to get out the rest of my boba. Oh yeah. I was like, nope, not doing it.
Sorry. Oh.
Guys, my stomach hurts.
I promise I taught her better than that.
And be sure to check us out on TikTok and Instagram.
Yes.
We don't have a Snapchat yet. So, I don't know if we're going to get one. That's too much for me to have to teach her.
I know how to do Snapchat. She is so easy to scare. So, it's when I hear her in her room, all I have to do is just walk up and go, what are you doing? And she's like, ah! And stuff goes flying. So, she was in her bathroom for a while. And so, I was like, I'm going to get her. But I was going to record it. And so, I go to record it. And she was naked. I was like, oh my gosh. Delete.
I was pooping.
Well, no, I've got you doing that too.
I was pooping one time. She put it on the corner. What are you doing? My butt cheeks all out. I'm like, I
I deleted
pooping.
those.
What do you mean?
Nobody wants to see all that.
Well, actually, I think you kept on me pooping because it was just the side of my butt.
Oh, I don't know. Maybe. Who knows? But I'm not publishing
If anyone wants a free mom, you can have it.
Hey, people would be happy to take me as their mother.
Please take her. And you can't return her. There's no return policy.
Ha! They would love me because I take them places.
You don't take me places.
I take you places. She goes lots of places. You'll see on our TikTok channel. Or would that be more of...
That'd be more of a Snapchat thing.
We need a Snapchat.
I can't. My mental capacity can't.
I know how to do Snapchat.
I don't know. If you're not a subscriber, hit that red button and turn the notification bell to get alerts every time we go live or post another amazing video like this one. And don't forget to watch
These two